We've been in quarantine over a year now, and as difficult as these times are, it's pretty cool how people have been able to take things they typically like doing outside and find ways to do them at home. For a lot of people, home brewing in particular has been both a form of relaxation and a thoughtful, even meticulous hobby. Some might even call it a life skill. Like many things, it requires time, practice, and investing in the right tools. So if you're new to home brewing and you're not sure what kind of equipment to start with, we're here to help you out. For most habitual coffee drinkers, espresso is always the first choice. But if you're looking to brew your own coffee at home and you'd rather not splurge on an industrial machine, or you just don't have the space for a bulky device, an Aeropress is a more than worthy alternative. Much like an espresso machine, the Aeropress works by pushing hot water through coffee grounds by way of pressure, resulting in a strong extraction. To use it, start by assembling the device as instructed. Position the filter onto the bottom chamber and attach it to the body. Then, scoop grounds into the Aeropress using the spoon included in the set. Shake the press to even out the grounds and pour hot water over the top, following the markings on the device. From there, just press your plunger through the body and the finished brew will drip right out in seconds.